Hi there, folks. Thanks for tuning into the Altarpiece. Today I'm going to tell you about our Vacation Bible School this year, which was called Martin Luther Discovers the Gospel. Now, I thought of the idea in 2017, which was right during the 500th anniversary of the Reformation, marked by Luther's writing of the 95 Theses, but I got the idea too late to make it for VBS. But this year we did it, and it came together like a dream, and the kids had a blast. Now, as I talked with people about what we were doing and what we did at VBS, a lot of them told me they were very interested in learning exactly what it was and how we filled our time. And a lot of those people were pastors. I made these videos so that you can get a full rundown. Let's get started. First off, the rationale for it all. Why should Vacation Bible School be about Martin Luther? Well, it shouldn't, right? It should be about Jesus. It should be about the Bible, coming from the Bible. That's why it's called Vacation Bible School. God gives us these children for a short time in the summer so that you can enlighten them with the Bible. Sometimes you get more children at Vacation Bible School than at any other time throughout the year. So we had to do this right. We had to make our Martin Luther VBS truly centered on Jesus. So our goal with this Vacation Bible School was to establish in our children's hearts a more permanent and mature trust in God's grace, to equip them with confidence in the testimony of Jesus, and ultimately to put that power to use in being more like Jesus with their family and their classmates. It just so happens that Martin Luther's story is the perfect vehicle for all of that. So next, I want to give you a structural overview. You know that a lot of Vacation Bible School programs have a theme, right? Like cars or hot air balloons or football. And with that theme, they've got skits often with characters who act out scenes. So, characters become like jungle explorers or chefs or pirates or farmers or whatever they are. We took that tradition and we used it as a springboard and decided to feature Martin Luther as the main skit character. And we had other characters too, as you'll see, like John Tetzel, Thomas Müntzer, Ulrich Zwingli, and other people. So instead of crafting our own characters and stories, we based the skits all on historical events. And we did that not for the sake of history, but because those events remain so startlingly relevant to the gospel of Christ for us today. These are characters of history that the children will meet again in their confirmation instruction, right? Plus, because the Reformation came at a time when it had to interact with the seeds of modern philosophy, even public schools spend time on these same characters. So in structuring the VBS week, we took the timeline of Martin Luther's life as the core sequence. So anyhow, this first video is just to give you the initial inspiration for the program, its rationale, and a little bit about how it took shape. The next video will explain how we did our music, and we'll see you then.